God bless you guys. Carlos here with Serrano's Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Happy Thursday, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. It was a busy one for me. But anyways, yesterday I had done a video, obviously, on DPC page, and I did a video on my Instagram where you guys saw me spray an area on my truck. And that's what we're going to be doing, obviously, today is we're going to see if this product works. So stay tuned, and we'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so it is a moment of truth. I'm very nervous to see if this product even works. But anyways, before I get started on this video, guys, I wanted to give a huge shout out to Raymond's Garage. Hopefully it's Raymond's, because I see an A, so I don't know if it's Raymond's. If I got it wrong, bro, I apologize, but I'm gonna say it's Raymond's. But to Raymond's Garage, man, hey, thank you. I received your stuff. Check out his business cards. These are some very sweet cards. Freaking awesome. These are durable. Very cool card as well. Thank you for your card, the fragrance, and I love the shirt you made me, fully customized. He even put Serrano's on there, so I'm part of Raymond's Garage. If I ever go to this place, I can be an employee for a day. And I think the back is also they put Raymond's Garage in the back. Freaking awesome. Thank you again, boss, for sending me this shirt. Very cool. I really appreciate all the gifts you came with it. But anyways, guys, it is moment of truth, guys. I think I'm very nervous. I'm very skeptical with this product, like I said. Sorry, it was a long day, and I'm thirsty. But anyways, the product we're going to be reviewing today, guys, I received it in the mail, guys, and this is by Uhlens Power Polish, guys. All right, I received this in the mail. This bottle right here, guys, it is $19, and I'll be posting a link of their website down below so you guys can check it out. But obviously, real nice card, but it says, when nothing else works, grab the Uhlen. So for this scenario, nothing has worked. I have overspray on my car, and we're gonna see if this works, right? This is not a like an all-in-one polish. This is more, it says Uhlens has been used by overspray and detail professionals to bring old or contaminated paint back to life over 80 years. I have never heard of this company till obviously when I received this bottle. So we're definitely gonna see if this works. So it says it's perfect for surface contamination, oxidation, swirls, and scratches that other products don't fix. I did like that it says it's a unique. This product is unique because of the oils. It's high in oils. That means that you can work the product even more to really get into the pores of the paint. But let's see, if you post with pro, so there's a promo code, guys, Uhlen Polish /pro. And you will get 25% off what it says on the card here. So Uhlen Polish --capital Pro, and you'll get 25% off. So thank you for that. So let's see how well this product works. All right, I'm very nervous, to be honest, but we're gonna be using this Lake Country medium cut pad for this scenario. All right, I honestly believe so what this is, it just cleans up. You can use it on boats, cars, motorcycles. You can use it on metals, antiques, a lot of things. So it's pretty much a cleaner polish, I believe, from what it says. And you still have to come back and wax your vehicle after. So let's really see what this is all about. So I'm gonna zoom in real quick. We're gonna bring the camera closer. We're gonna bring it closer, you guys, so we can get a nice shot of this. So, perfect. And we're gonna put it right there. And hopefully the camera can catch the overspray. So I'm gonna try to zoom in just a little bit. And we'll see if this product really works, guys. So I'm gonna put a couple drops on this foam pad, just to, well, a couple drops. I did a big drop, to be honest. But anyways, I'm very skeptical, and let's see what this does, guys. So here we go. We're gonna start blending it in, and we're gonna see if this actually removes overspray. So here we go. Let's see. I don't think it's taking anything off. So I'm rubbing it. Oh wow. Check it out, guys. So I thought it wasn't removing anything, but after, I guess the product has to work itself in there. And boom. Check that out, guys. Very quickly it's removing the overspray. Wow. Check that out, guys. Wow. Obviously everything transferred over to the pad, but to be honest, guys, that's pretty amazing, guys. I don't know if the camera can catch that. Oh yeah, check that out, guys. And some will probably say maybe that this paint is fresh or something, but let me get you guys a little bit of an up close so you guys can see that this paint, it's on there. I mean, literally, it's caked all through the night, all through the day, and it is not going anywhere, guys. But check that out, and it cleans it, just as it says on the bottle. You know, it'll clean, it'll remove. Oh wow, it feels very soft, guys. Literally, this feels very soft. That's freaking amazing, guys. Check that out. Wow, I can't even hear nothing. That is very awesome, guys. That is freaking cool. And look at the gloss it gives too. So I mean, it cleans as well. So that is amazing, guys. So anyways, I wanted to show you guys this product today so you guys can check it out. I'll be posting a link down below and you guys can go and check it out. But the Yulin polish definitely worked, guys. It didn't take a lot, to be honest. It didn't take a lot. Let's try with the rag. Very quickly, guys. Pretty much this product, I guess, has to work in. Let the product do the work, right? You can use a rotary. You can use a rotary on a foam pad, and it'll definitely, it'll clean it, guys. To some, I think it will say, why use a foam pad? It's not gonna work. But to be honest, guys, if I can remove this overspray as well as correct while I'm going, and it cleans it, and all I have to do is come back and put a sealant, that is a no-brainer, guys. And I don't have to sit there and freaking, you know, use a lot of energy. I can literally just put it on the machine, do it by the machine, and that's it. That is freaking amazing. I am very impressed. You know what, before I end this video, let me connect the polisher and a pad and let's see what happens. All right, guys, so I really don't want to make this video long for you guys, but I went ahead and got a on the bottle it says rotary. I'm gonna put an orbital with a Lake Country pad, and let's see what it does, guys. So if you have headphones, go ahead and lower the volume. I'm laughing because this is working. Obviously, yeah, you might get your pads dirty, guys, but if this can be a game changer, guys, less work, I would say. Sorry guys, I don't want to make this video long. I guess at this point I'm more excited than anything. But this product gives you a lot of working time on the panel, and it feels so smooth, guys. Very smooth. Wow. And it actually corrects. It can literally correct your paint as you're going, and all you have to do is come back and wax it, and less of this motion a lot with cleaning, and it cleans it up. I don't know guys, but this Yulin polish is definitely catching my attention, guys. If it all fails, the Yulin's power polish will get the job done. So I hope this video helped you guys out today, and you had fun just like me, and we were able to figure something new, a product that I've never seen. Has definitely caught my attention, and if I can correct and remove overspray in a couple passes, that is truly a no-brainer, and it leaves it so smooth, guys. This is the top of my truck, and this is the polish side, or remove the overspray. You can't even hear it. That is amazing. Overall guys, I hope you guys have a blessed day. Happy Thursday. Again, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I hope this review helped you guys in maybe purchasing your next overspray product. It's definitely a no-brainer in my book. I'm definitely going to get me another bottle, the bigger bottle, to have for these scenarios. But overall, I hope you guys have a blessed day. Be safe, and God bless y'all.